So now we can hire in these two job profiles. One can be the training manager, one can be the EVP of sales. Okay, now we have to make a few more fine-tuned adjustments here. So one is the hire process and one is the proposed compensation hire process. So what we will do is we will create copy or link definition, and there I will see if I have the hire process. Okay, I will just, or initially, let me do for the proposed compensation. I will create a very simplified version of the proposed compensation high. Okay, I will not go for any approvals or so. I will just say, a simple, just initiation process, that's it. Okay. So we have created a definition for proposed compensation hire. Now what we have to do is we have to update our hire process. Right, you have to update our hire process so that it includes the compensation step. Correct. We want to do that. We want to give compensation now, so I will go back to the top-level organization. That is XYZ Motors, and I will go there and I will go to Business Process. Business Process Definitions for Business Object. I will go there because I know for a fact that we have already created a higher business process definition, so I will just check that. Okay, hire for the 1001 XYZ Motors. We have already done this as part of our second chapter, so now we are going to enhance this existing definition and add the compensation step. Right, so we have opened up the hire business process. You see, there is only one step, that is initiation. We want to change that. You go to Related Actions, Business Process Edit Definition. We are going to edit the definition of the business process with effect from today. Yes. And we will add a step, so you will create another step. You see, I clicked on the Add Row icon and here I will call it a Step P. The type is an action and it is going to be a proposed compensation hire. I will scroll down. I will go to Propose Compensation Hire and I will select it. And I will select who is going to do it. The compensation partner, right? I want the compensation partner to be able to do. Oh, my God. So many roles. Okay, anyway, let me go back to the HR partner. I want the our partner to be able to do it. Again, too many our partners. Let me use the first one, our partner M. Okay, let me use this one. The assignable role is HR partner. Perfect. Alright, so I will use this HR partner and click OK. So now what happens is I have to make sure that there is an HR partner assigned to my organization. Otherwise, how will work? They know who is the HR partner. Correct. So let's assign the HR partner role to this particular supervisory organization. I will go to the Related Actions again. And how do we assign roles? Anybody? How do we assign a role? Go to the Rules and Assign Rules. We go to Roles and Assign Roles. Perfect. So roles, assigned roles. I will use yesterday's date. Yeah, or today's date is fine. And I will assign the role of HR partner. Okay, I will go here and I will search for HR partner. One second. I have to find out the correct HR partner. What is the first one? There should be this HR partner M security group that is linked to it. This is weird. HR partner M. Ah, there it is. Yeah, this is the one I have to use. This HR partner. Let me assign this to Logan as well. Okay, and done. So my business process is now updated to be able to do compensation right, and I have also assigned the role of HR partner to my organization. Now you can see that I have assigned the role. Now you might be wondering that I did it for XYZ Motors, but I created the profile, or I created the job profile for executive. So how will that work? Do you have this question? Okay. So now let me ask you this, who is the HR partner for XYZ Motors? Executive Logan McNeil. If I look at, let me sort descending. That is the easiest way to find out. If I saw descending, you will see that the HR partner role is inherited. Right, it is inherited. So it is. So we have assigned the role of HR partner to Logan McNeil. Right now. Let's quickly create our. So we have our grade, we need what we need, our salary plan. Right, basically, whatever we did in that other tenant, we need to create here as well. So we have to give an effective date. Let's give yesterday and yesterday's date. On 27th, we call it as WW salary plan. What did we do? We used FTE percentage base pay. Okay, and eligibility rules, we put as WW. All employees, right, that's what we selected. That's it. Exclude from merit. Okay. What else did we create? We created an allowance plan. And what did we call it? We call it as we. It was an amount-based plan and we set it as WW car allowance. Right, and what was the eligibility rule? Managers are the power. Right, so let's choose. So we have this one. All executive vice presidents, right. So let me look at the rule here. So it says management level is executive vice president and this is XY supporters. I think we have to choose the other one. What is managers are above, or this is managers in UK or supervisors in the US? Sorry, managers in US or supervisors in UK. Let's use this one, all executive vice presidents. The compensation element is car allowance. Okay, and then we will not put anything in the amount, or, if you want, you may, let's say $1,200 US. Okay, and the frequency is, let's put it as monthly, okay. So monthly you are going to get $1,200. In the allowance plan profile, then we will see $1,200 US, and this is country. United States. Okay, and the other one we created as 1500. Sorry, I think it was. What was the amount? Let's put it as 1000 or 900. I think that's what we put, 900 GBP. Okay, and this is country. United Kingdom. Got it. Okay. I think we have to change our eligibility rule a little bit. The reason is in the job profile. We have used 5 executive vice president and not 3 executive vice president, so they won't match. Isn't it? And we will not be able to get it to work. 5 executive vice president. That is what. This is what we used in our job profile. I'll get rid of the other 2. Done. Now what else? We have created salary plan. We have created allowance plan. Now, what else do we have to do? We have to put it all together in a package.